Hello everyone, my name is Lakshmi. Today I am going to tell you about what I learned in Araku. The first thing I learned in Araku is how to relax your body. A few steps I will tell about it. First, you should imagine that you are going to a waterfall. There are 10 steps to go. Next step, you will count 1, 2, 3, 4, or 10, 9, 8, 7. You will go like that. Each and every step, your relaxation will be more happy, more relaxation. So if you get in the waterfalls, you should count 3 seconds and wait for a few minutes, like 2 minutes. And then you should again count 3 seconds and you should open your eyes. The next point I want to do is how can you believe in yourself? How can you use your mind? So, my mind is, one is conscious mind, one is subconscious mind. Subconscious mind is very powerful mind than conscious mind. Let me tell you an example. The example is, if the conscious mind was thinking, I will not able to do this homework. You will not able. You have to control your subconscious mind and say, I can do this, it's a piece of cake. Conscious mind will think, what should I say, what should I do? But before conscious mind gives the answer, subconscious mind will give it when you at least think for 1 minute. And third point I learned is how to buy useful things with that money. And the next point I learned is how we ignite the secret power. You should not put the secret power in it like a secret power. You have to ignite it. And I also learned how to be kind, smart, friendly, brave, confident. And I also learned how to behave when you win the game or lose the game. Be confident about yourself. Believe in yourself. Thank you, management sir, for teaching us all how to do these all things.